person's true identity lies in character, not in wealth. Truth of the soul is greater than treasures of the world.
Mola Ali said,
whoever knows himself will find his Lord within. In the mirror of the soul, the light begins. Ali, Ali,
Ali,
Ali.
Patience in hardship, patience away from sin. Strength is not outside, it lives deep within.
Mola Ali said,
Knowledge is your shield, wealth is just a test. Guard your soul with truth and you will be blessed. Your greatest enemy lives inside your nest. Fight your inner war, rise above yourself.
Ya Ali, Ya Ali, power in your name we see. Ya Ali, Ya Ali,
Power in your name we see.
the tongue is a fire, control it before it burns. Words can break hearts or help the soul return.
Live so when you leave, hearts cry in your name. And when you are present, love remains the same. Control your anger, that is real might. Victory is silence in the heat of fight.
Walk with the wise, let your spirit grow. Leave the ignorant, don't follow them low. Do good in silence, let the river flow. God returns it back in ways you'll never know.
Silence is worship, calm and deep. In quiet hearts, the secrets sleep.
Raise your voice against Dulum, stand tall and brave. Truth is the path only the strong can save.